today we got to the first side of the Rii Mote. We will use it today with our D10 tablet PC. And you can see it's a 2.2. It's a very good tablet. And here, this is our keyboard. Here, the keys include the keys, the touchpad, and at the back it is new things here. It's keys of remote control of your TV, for your TV, for your air condition. Here we connect it to the USB connector to the tablet. Now you will use this wireless tablet. First the touchpad and the left-right key. With this key, it's especially outstanding when you use it with your TV computer. Yes, you can sit on the sofa and use this keyboard as the controller to control your computer. Remember, it's a wireless one. You even can use it to create an angry bird. So interesting. The touchpad is very responsive to your touch. We got to create the angry bird. And to use it to open the browser. Yes, here. And reading the page up and down is very quick, it's very convenient. Very free to use it. Yes, you needn't to just sit in front of your computer. You can just sit on the sofa, maybe 3 or 5 meters away, and control the computer. You can see what is the freedom the wireless technology can bring to our life. Just as the mouse and keyboard, but it's small, it's portable, and it's wireless. The move is very easy.
Again and watch me move to the groove. As we get close, you whisper Coco, hold you in my arms when you say jumbo. Scream and shout, return as a Colombo. Now I gotta go, so Coco.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy.
Pictures.
Put me down, put my feet back on the ground.
The tablet is really with a good display. It's video tablet. And I need to say a little thing about it. It's very good.
Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can press there to zoom in and zoom out the pictures.
That's the way I treat the girls, kinda smooth. See, 'cause there's one man and you're next me, see. So let me show you around when you sip your TG. But no coco loco boom, while I take a peely. When I hold my baby, she say I do it nice and all. Like my chicken red rice and lemonade. And that's what she get when she shouts out Jumbo. Now I
And the
gotta go,
3D,
yeah, Coco.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back
3D
on the ground.
effort of Android technology, as you can see, is perfect. To use this tablet to play video, you can see the picture is very clear. And this is the little dog. And he can stand up himself.
Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, fill my heart and make me happy.
And now let's use the other side of the keyboard. You can see there is magic. First we got our air condition, and not only air condition, it's any remote control for TV, for lights, lamper, for anything, or for anything with remote control you can find. You can use it with this wireless keyboard. It's not only a keyboard, it's a V keyboard and remote control. See, in this way we can first reset the remote to begin to read the signal of the remote controller, the orange remote controller. Yes, it will read and remember the signal. Kind of magic, right? And yes, oh, I've got that button. Yeah, yes, here. And finish the reading. He can control the air condition. Yes, as the remote controller of air conditioning itself. See it? Very magic.